Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish jun. First, select a firm white fish like cod or mahi-mahi, ensuring it's fresh. Slice the fish into thin, 1/4 inch pieces, cutting against the grain for tenderness. Then, pat each piece very dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps the batter adhere better and ensures a perfectly crispy texture when fried. Proper preparation is key to delicious fish jun. Next, season your dried fish slices lightly with salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. For the batter, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and about 1/4 cup of water until smooth. The consistency should be similar to a thin pancake batter, allowing it to coat the fish evenly without being too thick or too runny. This ensures a delicate, flavorful crust. Now, carefully dip each seasoned fish slice into your prepared batter, making sure it's fully coated. Gently shake off any excess batter before placing it into the hot oil. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a large skillet or pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the fish jun for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. Don't overcrowd the pan. Once fried, transfer your crispy fish jun to a wire rack placed over paper towels to drain any excess oil, keeping it perfectly crisp. Serve these delicious pieces immediately while they are warm. They pair wonderfully with a simple soy sauce, a spicy gochujang dipping sauce, or even a squeeze of fresh lemon. Remember to check the description below for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fish jun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.